So we are about to have our last dinner, last night of the cruise at a beautiful Japanese steakhouse called Teppanyaki.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I think she's excited. Yeah. So to start out, you got to scan the barcode, and then it brings you up the menu on your phone. What's on there? What you got, baby?
Filet mignon and shrimp.
Oh, nice. But here is a look at the menu.
You will only choose your own drink that's your main. You can do either one solo dish or a combination, and you can also make your.
This is called a sake sangria. I'm not sure besides sake and the sangria what else is in it.
I don't know if I would. Tara and I were going to order wine, and then we decided we would do this.
I could taste the sangria. Get a little appetizers. Here's a pork belly.
Here you go.
Put it in the hot wasabi sauce. Yeah, that's good. Spicy tuna. Ooh. You're not gonna dip it in the sauce? Go ahead, Marcy's gonna give it a try. Let's see her face. She volunteered. She eats sushi, so. Uh-oh. That look says it all.
Of sushi, but not that.
That's not good, huh?
No, it's good to other people, but it's raw to me.
No.
I like it.
You get some miso soup with chicken broth, and I had this before, and it is very good.
All right, first of all, welcome to the most quiet restaurant Bonsai Teppanyaki. Spider-Man. And I got your Japanese helicopter. No. Alright, and one. Oh, come on. Two, and three, and come on. Hoppa. And then DJ rolling. X on the cruise, go. Run and run. Run and run. Run and run. X on the cruise, go. Run and run. Oh, hey. Where's the back? My friend Anna Bonda. Hello, easy you're looking for. Alright, I like to move it. I like to move it.
We got the shrimp, we got the rice, the vegetables are cooking, and the steak is next.
The vegetables. There you go.
Yeah. The steak. And here's the steak, shrimp, and rice and vegetables. And it is so good. Highly recommend this place.
We're good? Rice.
And extra rice to go.
Pistachio cake.
Pistachio cake.
Then this one is your pomegranate juice with a little bit of grapefruit juice and a little bit of water. Below right here, mini cream brulee. Then you have
Green tea ice cream. I have no idea. A chocolate covered strawberry, some type chocolate, and I have no idea. This is some type of sorbet or something made with green tea or I don't know, something. This is some type of little fruit thing.
I can't remember who it was. They're talking about
creme brulee, chocolate, and a chocolate, half chocolate covered strawberry. Creme brulee.
Sure. That's the one, huh? That's the winner is the creme
That's
brulee.
the one right there. It's delicious.
And being from near Tampa, where there's plenty of strawberries, Marcia knows a good strawberry. Is it as good as a Plant City strawberry? No.
But it's still very good.
It's still very good. Dessert was good.
Please enjoy the rest of your cruise. We'd like to thank you for joining us for dinner tonight. My name is Santi and your chef is JR. Have a great night.
Alright, and I think that's all from me for tonight. Thank you very much guys for watching Discovery Channel. And I hope you guys enjoy the food and enjoy the rest of your night. And have a safe flight going back home tomorrow guys, alright? And thank you very much for choosing Bonsai Teppanyaki and we say it in Japanese, hasta la vista, baby, alright? Alright, thank you very much, have a good night.